What's up, everybody? So in today's video, I just want to go over how we run our wholesale and novation offers. So in our real estate business, we do a lot of wholesale deals and novation deals as well. Primarily, our focus is novation deals, but this is a calculator we use just to run our numbers like at a quick speed. So whenever we run our numbers and we're getting all the details from the property, to run numbers on the fly whenever we're speaking to these property owners, because we do a lot of virtual wholesaling, so we don't go out to a property, so we just kind of get the rundown of the condition of the property. So we have all these cheat sheets down here. So for instance, like a comp calculator, inside this cheat sheet, there's a bunch of stuff here that you can go over. But once we get the kind of the estimated repairs of what the property is looking like and what the condition is, this is what we'll go off of right here, this cheat sheet right here. So if it's near perfect condition, we'll do $8 to $15 a square foot. If it's good condition, just a little outdated, we'll do $20 to $30 a square foot. And if it's livable but needs to be fully remodeled, we'll go into the $35 to $40 a square foot. And then ugly, nearly unlivable, $45 to $65 a square foot. Scary gut job, full rebuild, $75 to $90, and then tear down, rebuild, $100 to $150 a square foot. So these are the numbers we go off of. So I'll just run a quick example of what we do. So inside the offer calculator, there's only a few spaces. The orange spaces is what you can edit. So typically what we'll edit is the minimal acceptable profit that we want to do per deal. And then in the percent of ARV, depending your market, depending your buyers, you know your market. So we'll usually do 70%. And then we only do this if we tell the seller we'll split the amount over what we sell it for, if we're doing a novation agreement. And then amount over asking, this will just be the amount over asking if you got any amount over asking what you're looking to list it for. And then the other costs for novations we plug in, we do 3% for listing, 3% for buyers, and then typically we'll keep all this other stuff pretty, just nothing in there unless you want to. So what we'll do, let's say we're looking at a property, we're trying to underwrite a property. I'll just use this one for an example. So this one, let's just say I'm going on Zillow real quick. So quick underwriting, you'll be able to go to Zillow. You can see property sold down here. You can also come like this, look at the lot lines. It's typically how we'll go. And we'll kind of look around the area, see what's sold, 460, 585, 445, 525, 590. And then we'll also use PropStream. Obviously, we'll look deeper into these and check the bed bath, make sure they're similar square foot, bed bath, all that good stuff. And then you can also come to PropStream, which is another platform we use. And we'll come over to comps inside of here. And then we can kind of take a look of what the area is looking like. So you'll see the bed bath, and you can line up the square footage and all that good stuff, and match everything up and see what everything's sold for. So for instance, I'll just go with this comp right here, this is a property we sold. So we went off of this comp at 525. So, and we know that this one is 2,291 square foot. So let me just go here real quick, and I'll show you the pictures and the pictures we got and what we went off of. So these were the pictures of the property. So when running our rehab calculator, if you come to the comp calculator, you'll see we'll go to here, and that one was pretty nice. We used good condition, just a little outdated. So we used 25. So for this one, I would go like 20, 25 a square foot. So we're putting the ARV at 525,000. And then our property, our property we're looking at is 2,291 square foot, and we'll do $25 a square foot. So that comes out to $557,275 as our rehab. So when we're running numbers, our guys and sales guys, whoever's running your numbers, we'll put this in here. We'll find the ARV of a property with its estimated, after repaired value, and put the ARV in here. Find the estimated repairs off that checklist. That's how we run our numbers and do our rehab. And then, as long as you have this and your minimal acceptable profit in there, you'll be able to come up here, and then it automatically will give you your starting offer at $265 and your max offer at $280. And that's if you want to have a $30,000 spread. You can obviously lower this and change some of the numbers. And then if you're going to then go pitch novation, your starting offer and novation offer. So this is our cheat sheet and our cheat calculator that we use to find our ARVs, plug in the numbers, and then we can go make our offers as wholesale and then push over to novation if the sellers don't accept our wholesale offer. So this is just really quick way. We love this calculator. We use it every single day for all of our offers. You can play around with it. There's a bunch of different things in here that you can use, but it allows us to just run our numbers really quick. And on this property, this is how we ran our numbers exactly on this property. We started off with this. The seller didn't like it. We ended up locking it up for $370 on the Novation side, listed on the market. We sold it for $435. But this is a great way to run your numbers, and it's a really good calculator. So if you want access to the calculator, you can just DM me on Instagram or shoot me a YouTube comment, and I'll get you access to this calculator. So I hope this video helped. If you have any questions, you can reach out.